Hi, my name is Pelumi, Product Marketing Manager at Move Work Forward. And in this video, I will be showing you the amazing Microsoft Teams Confluence connector. I would show you how to integrate it and how it makes collaboration very simple for your team. Very first thing we want to do is make sure we have the Microsoft Teams Confluence connector installed in our Confluence instance. I already have mine installed. Just for you to find it, you click on Find New Apps while on Confluence, and you can just search on the Atlassian Marketplace Advanced Microsoft Teams Confluence connector. You immediately find it, and then you can add it to your instance. For me, it is already added to my instance. Now, what we will do is immediately go to configure it. So go to Manage Apps, Manage Apps, and then you find your app there. Click on Configure. The first step in configuration of this integration is to sign in, log into your Microsoft Teams. I would immediately do that. My Microsoft Teams is already signed in on Google Chrome. So for you, you might need to put in your account details, so your username and password. No, and yes. So first, after we've signed in on Microsoft Teams, we now need to go on to install the Confluence connector on our Microsoft Teams app. So I've signed in on my Microsoft Teams. Now I would go directly to my Microsoft Teams app and look for the Confluence connector. So go to the apps on your Microsoft Teams, click for Confluence connector. All right, so this is the Confluence connector. Just click to add. It would ask you what channel you'd want to add it to. Once we have our Confluence connector added to our Microsoft Teams, it click to connect. So it's a bot. So once we have our Confluence connector added to Microsoft Teams, the next thing will be to connect it. So you have our Confluence connector installed to our Microsoft Teams. It immediately connects to our integration, our advanced Confluence connector on Confluence. This provides the two-way integration between the Microsoft Teams app and Atlassian Confluence. That is simply how to integrate, your Atlassian Conference and your Microsoft Teams with the Move Work Forward Advanced Microsoft Teams Conference Connector. The next step would be to create notifications. And the creating notifications part is what makes team collaboration a lot better. Being able to get notified for comments, blog posts, new pages created. And from this window, you can immediately select when you want to and set up custom rules for what exactly you want to be notified. In our next video, I would explain how to set up notifications for your Microsoft Teams from your Atlassian Confluence. Thank you.